You may have seen this home on open house before, but now Amy Sachs, who was formerly with Annabelle Soldorf, has redone the entire home, and it is spectacular. Hey guys, it's Killoren Bensimon with the Killoren Bensimon team at Douglas Elliman. We are here at 26 West 87th Street on the Upper West Side of New York City. This home has 6,300 square feet. And did I happen to say this is the former home of legendary jazz singer Billie Holiday? Come on in and I'll show you around. When you enter the home, you can't help but be amazed by all the historical detail. 10 to 12 foot ceilings, herringbone floors, unbelievable moldings are adorned throughout the home. These mahogany doors are majestic and grand and just the beginning of what you guys are about to see. As we continue down the entry foyer, we're seeing this incredible banister. It's a piece of art in its own right, as you can see with the detailing in not only the banister, but also the railings. And now let me show you the rest of the parlor floor. Let's start with the living room. These 12-foot high ceilings are carved with custom designs and mahogany wood trim. And it's all flanked by this impressive fireplace and unbelievable mantel. Outside this charming window is an urban oasis on the garden level. The garden floor also has a media room and a full kitchen. There's also a private office that's perfect for work from home. And behind these incredible pocket doors is a state-of-the-art kitchen. This thoughtfully designed kitchen has every modern amenity anyone could ask for. 6-burner stove, 2 refrigerators, 2 sinks, wine fridge, and a full wet bar. And it's all adorned by these incredible marble countertops, subway tile, and these beautiful dome lights. And towards the front of the parlor floor is your formal dining room. It's vibrant and elegant with 2 expansive windows, letting in tons of natural light. This is a perfect place to have dinner parties with all of your favorite people. Now that I've shown you the parlor floor, let's head upstairs. This floor is private and luxurious and takes up over 1,100 square feet. There are 7 bedrooms, each better than the last, with even its own sitting room. The primary bedroom enjoys beautiful ceilings, picturesque windows, elegant fireplace, and a sophisticated dressing room. Separating the primary bedroom with the sitting room is this incredible bathroom. Deep sunken tub, 2 sinks, spa-like shower makes you feel like you're in the most luxurious resort. And I just love walking on these radiant, heated marble floors. This separate private sitting room is delightfully designed. It has a gas fireplace, herringbone floors, large windows, and a high ceiling. It's the perfect place to take a good book to read or even take a nap. This is one of my favorite rooms because it's so calm and serene. It's a perfect respite from New York City. Thank you so much for taking a tour of 26 West 87th Street. It's truly a home as iconic as any song by Billie Holiday. See you on the next one.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.